Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect N8N to Jira. Let's dive in. Since there's no official integration yet, you'll need third-party automation tools like Zapier, Make.com or Unito. These let you automate task updates between Norton databases and Jira issues either in real time or at intervals. In Notion, create a database with fields like title, status and assigned to. In Jira, choose the project and issue type where you want tasks to sync, like task, story, or bug. Now open your automation tool of choice. Set a trigger in Notion, like when a new item is added or status is changed. Then set an action in Jira, like create issue or update issue. You can map Notion fields to Jira ones, such as title to summary, status to label, or assigned to assignee. Some tools even support two-way sync, so updates in Jira reflect back into Notion. And that's it. Now your product, dev, and content teams can stay in sync across platforms. Set it up once and save hours each week. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.